Oh, when I was a young thing, I heard my mother say that I was a foolish lass, and he's a led astray. And before I would work, I would rather sport and play with my Johnny on the banks or red roses. On the banks of red roses, his love when he sat down, and he took out his charmed flute to play his love a tune. In the middle of the tune, oh, the bonny lass said, "Harry, John, and dearest Johnny, do not leave me." Then he took her to his lodge and treated her to tea. Say, "Dream, my dearest Mary, and come along with me." Saying, "Dream, my dearest Mary, and come along with me to the lovely sweet banks of red roses." Then they walk and they talk till they came into a cave where Johnny Holiday had been digging up a grave. Where Johnny Holiday had been digging up a grave for to leave his Mary low among the roses. Then he pulled out his penknife, it was but sharp, and he flung it right into his arm, dear Mary's heart. Yes, he flung it right into his arm, dear Mary's heart, and he left her lying alone among the roses. And he left her lying alone among the roses. Sir Agama was a valiant knight, Falanky down did he. He took a sword and went a fight, Falanky down did he. Has a rattle little day and harmony in a cut of mail. Falanky down, dinky down, dinky down, dinky down did he. I came a driving for it and Falanky down did he. The kids know so many men, Falanky down did he. When she saw Sir Agamo, he should have heard the dragon roar. Falanky down, dinky down, dinky down, dinky down did he. But then the trees began to shake, Falanky down did he. And all the trembling men did quake, Falanky down did he. Birds be took in other feet, the moon made the ground man weep. the fight and live one day from more tonight. Fa la lanky da dinky da dunky da dunky down. High, fall lanky dum diddy. The good shop is still by. Fall lanky dum diddy. Circle the answer to the scheme. Be vexed tonight, made and green. Fall lanky dum diddy, dum diddy. But as in coal, should it burn? Fall lanky dum diddy. If it's a dragon grip return. Fall lanky dum diddy. As a yellow should it fall? It's just a certain head and hole. Fall lanky dum diddy. Like a cow should fly. Fall lanky dum diddy. To her than which was thereby. Fall lanky dum diddy. There she land on the road, and I was sorry for his soul. Fall lanky da dinky da dunky da dunky down diddy.